at the root of you, there's something like a drum beating and pulsating at your roots. Before you ever watched a movie or a television program, it was there. It came in. You rode in on it. Nothing can touch it. It's sacred. Go get that and bring it up. That it's something ancient within you that outranks any suggestion that you might have come into contact with while you've been here. It can't tell you who you are. Only that ancient knowing knows for sure who you are and what you're here to do. And you just need to be at the right place at the right time. And just you staying on the track of your stoicism and seeing these things that come in. Here's a cup, here's a cup. It's not. It really isn't. There's no question of what you should be doing. You're clear. You know exactly where you're going. You know. You already know. And to suggest you go any other way, you're just gonna wish you didn't if you did. Because you've done it plenty of times to know by now to do it God's way.